One of the challenges in learning a new language is to find someone to practice and to get some tips from them. Speaking with natives allows you not only to improve your pronunciation, but also to acquire new words. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 mobile applications that will connect you with native speakers. I just have to tell you, the last one has even more tools for accent improvement. 1. Inner Pulse. Inner Pulse will provide you with conversations and with people from all over the world. The app has more than 5 million users and it's totally free. You can send messages and ask for friendship to anyone on the platform. 2. Tandem. Tandem has more than 50 million native speakers and you can practice more than 300 languages. The app's focused on connecting people who want to exchange language. So you should teach a language and in charge receive some help too. You should search for people who help you while you help them. 3. Speaky. The app Speaky is one of the best for practical and free language practice. How about make friends and at the same time going beyond your language studies? Speaky works just like Inner Pulse and Tandem. You help someone and they help you. Or Hello Talk. Hello Talk is great for friendship with foreigners and still expands your vocabulary. It is a global app for both language learning and language exchange. You can connect with native speakers and it is for free. 5. Hi Native. Hi Native makes you a part of a global community of people who want to learn idioms. You can ask questions and get some help with your studies. The focus is not only to get help, but help others. One of the coolest parts of this app is that you can make audio uploads in order to discover if your pronunciation is correct. It is important to say that although all those apps are for language learners and making friends, you should go easy with people because dangerous people can be everywhere. Do not give personal information, and if someone makes intimacy questions and is being rude to you, block and report them immediately. But don't give up. Since it can be hard to make friends in our daily lives, it is normal to be difficult in the online world too. So be patient. If this content was helpful for you, please like this video for more people to get access to this information. I wish you success in your journey of learning a new language. Bye!